Hi guys, I had another request for some healthy lemonade. This person lived in the South. They consume a lot of lemonade, the wrong kind. So what can you do to make it healthy, right? Well, first of all, I like carbonated Pellegrino. You can do Perrier. You can just do regular water, filtered water if you want. But I will mix actual lemon juice with water with stevia. So I'm just going to show you. This is my favorite Italian lemon juice, Italian Volcano lemon juice. This is actual organic lime juice. So I'm making limeade, but you can do the lemonade. It tastes very similar. But this stuff is from the health food store. It's awesome. But you can use just regular lemon juice organic. So I'm going to put, usually I'll put an ounce in there, maybe a little bit more, maybe 2 ounces, 3. I like a lot of lemon. And this is also really beneficial if you're doing a ketogenic diet and you are trying to prevent stones, kidney stones, or gout, which is a possibility. So the next thing you want to do is you want to add stevia, the sweetener, okay? You can get just regular, clear, no flavored stevia, liquid, or lemon flavored. This is lemon flavored. Just pull it up about halfway up, squeeze it in, okay, mix it up. And you have either limeade or lemonade, okay? It's totally healthy, it's amazing. All the lemon stuff will help kind of buffer any type of oxalate stones that are growing in your body, or with kidney stones, or even gout. It's great. So go ahead and try this, and don't do the sugar lemonade, all right? Thanks for watching. Hey, you probably already subscribed, but if you haven't, press this little button down below, and I will keep you updated.